Hi everyone, this is Ms. Velasquez. So today is the second day of our soft launch of distance learning. So up until the 24th of April, it's for enrichment only, but I want to make sure that everyone is beginning to get on board and participating in the assignments and responding to messages that I'm sending, because from April 27th through June 9th, there will be grades given. Up here, I wanted to remind you the website for Canvas is sandiegounified.instructure.com. The page looks a little bit different, so here are quick links to announcements, assignments, quizzes, and grades. These are the 3 units that we will be working on, and if you still need to submit old work, these are the previous units down here. So what's really important is this announcement here. There will typically be an announcement every day. Hopefully you saw this one from Dr. Rico yesterday. So this will be where we will remind you what you need to work on and have links to those assignments. So for this week, it's finish your makeup work, complete your Unit 4 project, and here are some examples. This is due tomorrow, so Wednesday, April 8th, and then activity number 1 is due Friday, April 10th. And I'll get back to these two in a bit. Another thing that's really important is this inbox. It says access denied because I'm on student view, but here you should have messages from me kind of explaining a little bit what we are beginning with for this distance learning, and I will continue to send messages here as well. So if you don't see a message, you can also message me directly from here. So you would just hit compose, find my name, and send me a message directly. All right, so let me go back to the courses. Okay, so if I go to the announcement here from Dr. Rico, you need to finish your Unit 4 project. So this project, we already started it. We got up until step 4 in class. So everyone should have at least 1 through 4 in their Google Slides. The one that we didn't quite get to, we talked about it, but you didn't quite get enough time to complete this part, was the natural selection evidence. So if you go back to the announcement, there are several examples here that Dr. Rico put together for what you need to do in this final slide. So it explains what variation, overpopulation, advantage, and reproduce is, and then there are several examples. So this is the part that you need to complete for your own project. You also need to do activity number 1. So here is the link for this. It gives you the instructions and then the questions that you need to answer. So if you are wanting to work with somebody in your class, perhaps someone you already have their contact information in terms of discussing the videos and the questions, I included that in the message yesterday to let me know if there's students who you want to work with. And the videos are down here, so all those are linked here. I did put my contact information here as well. If it's easier to just text me or question, that's fine. One more thing I wanted to remind you is how to submit assignments. So when you're in the assignment page, you click on this blue submit assignment, and everything should be done on your school's Google Drive. So you click Google Drive. It'll either ask you to authorize Canvas to have access to your Google Drive, or if you've already done that, then your documents will pop up, and then you'll just look for the title of the document. You'll attach it and you will submit it. So that is how you will be submitting assignments on here. If you still need to take the quiz from Unit 1, that 0 is really affecting your grade, so please make sure that you contact Dr. Rico to set up a time to take this quiz. If you have any questions, please let me know. I have sent everybody a message. At least respond letting me know that you're seeing my messages and whether you have access to a computer or internet, or if you are still waiting on access to that. It's also helpful to have the app downloaded on your phone because it'll send you a notification when I send you a message. So thank you. Hope everybody is doing well, and I hope this video is helpful.